Number 1.
1999 Chevrolet S10, price $7,000. It has 118,500 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a dependable 2.2L four-cylinder gasoline engine. It features a clean white exterior that gives it a classic and timeless appearance, while the interior complements the overall simplicity and functionality of the truck. The vehicle has been consistently maintained, with a number of important recent repairs and upgrades already taken care of. These include brand new tires, a new AC compressor to keep the cabin cool, a new alternator, and a new battery for reliable starting and electrical performance. Additionally, a new rear main seal and fuel pressure regulator have been installed, and the transmission has been flushed to help ensure smooth shifting and longevity. For added convenience, power door locks with a remote entry system have been installed, making everyday use more practical.
Number 2.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,950, solid 4x4 pickup powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 149,000 original miles and runs on gasoline. The truck features a clean blue exterior complemented by a gray interior. The vehicle had been sitting for some time before the current owner purchased it, so the tires are older and tend to be a bit noisy. However, a new fuel pump has already been installed, which is a great maintenance upgrade. The truck starts up and runs, though it would benefit from being driven more regularly to keep everything in optimal condition. The air conditioning system is currently not blowing cold and will need a recharge. In terms of stance and presence, the truck comes equipped with both a body lift and a suspension lift, along with 35-inch tires all around, giving it a more aggressive and elevated look.
Number 3.
1996 Ford F-150, price $8,500. Well-maintained and dependable pickup that runs and drives very well. It is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission and powered by a strong and reliable V8 302 gasoline engine, offering solid performance for both daily use and light-duty work. The truck features a green exterior with a gray interior, both of which have been kept in good condition considering its age. The paint still shows nicely, giving the truck an overall clean and appealing look. Inside, the interior has been well cared for, remaining tidy and comfortable over the years. It also comes with a good set of wheels and tires, adding to both its appearance and drivability. Overall, this F-150 stands out as a solid, well-kept example, combining classic styling, reliable performance, and practical usability in one package.
Number 4.
2003 Ford Ranger, price $10,000, comes with just 73,000 original miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a 3.0L V6 engine, and runs on gasoline. It features a clean silver exterior paired with a well-maintained black interior. The vehicle is verified with a clean Carfax report showing no accident history, along with a clean title, current registration, and a recently passed smog test on April 29. It is fully equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, cruise control, and an alarm system. The air conditioning blows cold, and the heater works properly. The interior is in immaculate condition with no rips or tears, while the body is exceptionally straight with no significant dents and retains a very clean, well-kept paint finish. The tires still have about 85% tread remaining, although they are older and may need replacement in the near future.
Number 5.
1994 Chevrolet Silverado, price $10,000. This truck features a clean white exterior paired with a well-kept blue interior, giving it a classic yet eye-catching look. It is powered by a strong V8 engine and has been upgraded with a Beltec lowering kit, along with a dual exhaust system finished with chrome tips for a more aggressive stance and sound.
The truck sits nicely on 17-inch rims and has 223,000 miles on the odometer. Inside, the blue interior remains in good condition and is equipped with a Bluetooth stereo for modern convenience.
It has passed smog, runs and drives well, making it a reliable cruiser. The vehicle comes with a clean title and current registration valid through 2027.
Number 6.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, with 200,000 miles on the odometer, featuring an automatic transmission, a green exterior, and a clean gray interior. This gasoline-powered truck is equipped with a strong 5.7L V8 engine and a 4x4 drivetrain, delivering solid performance while running and driving great overall. The vehicle has clearly been taken care of, with both the 4x4 system and air conditioning working properly, making it reliable for both daily use and tougher conditions. It also comes with a nice, sporty-sounding muffler that gives the truck a more aggressive and appealing exhaust note. While in good condition overall, it will need a smog check as it is currently on non-operational status, and the driver's door pins will need replacement. Aside from these minor issues, This truck remains a dependable and capable classic pickup with plenty of life left.
Number 7.
1991 Ford F-250, price $7,500, with 238,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission, a white exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on a reliable diesel engine. This truck is equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain and comes with a full-size 8-foot bed, powered by the well-known 7.3L diesel engine that still runs strong. Overall, the vehicle remains in solid condition for its age. The body is straight with only minimal rust, though there are a few dents and cosmetic imperfections that are typical for a truck of this year, but nothing too severe. It may require a tune-up to reach its full potential. The truck will also need new tires, but it does come with 2 additional spare tires. Additionally, 2 new leaf springs are included, although they have not yet been installed.
Number 8.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This truck has 209,000 miles on the body and comes with an automatic transmission, finished in burgundy inside and out, and powered by a gasoline engine. The engine, transmission, and computer have around 100,000 miles on them, showing they've been replaced or refreshed. It features several upgraded parts, including a new Suburban radiator, a late -90s Tahoe fuel pump, Tahoe leather power/heated bucket seats with center console, cooling fans from a Grand Prix/Trans Am, and additional components sourced from Saturn, Cadillac Fleetwood, Buick Roadmaster, and Blazer. It also has an MSD vented OptiSpark system. The truck runs excellent but needs some cosmetic and minor work, including seat reupholstery, connecting the heat and AC, compressor included, fixing the cracked windshield, and repainting.
It is not currently tagged. Number 9.
2000 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,000. This truck is powered by a 2.7L engine with an automatic transmission and has 178,000 miles. It features a gray exterior and interior and runs on gasoline. The truck was inspected about 5,000 miles ago and was mechanically sound, with no check engine lights or unusual noises. It comes with Goodyear off-road tires, around 5,000 miles, a new audio system with Bluetooth and CD, and upgraded speakers. The AC blows ice cold, while the heater takes a bit longer to warm up. Maintenance has been consistent with synthetic oil changes every 4,000 miles. Recent updates include a new power steering pump, spark plugs, front brakes, tailgate, seat covers, and door handles, making it a solid and well-maintained truck.
Number 10.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $5,000. It has 140,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a rare blue interior, and it runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a V6 engine, a 5-speed manual gearbox, and a 4x4 drivetrain. It runs great and has been used as a reliable daily driver for the past 3 years. A standout feature is its uncommon blue interior along with folded mini rear seats, adding both character and practicality. Several parts have been recently replaced, including the catalytic converter, multiple brake components, the starter, and the clutch pedal, ensuring solid performance and dependability. The vehicle has a clean title and comes with a Pass Smog certificate in hand,
making it ready for its next owner.